Want a faster way to switch between your Helium browser profiles without digging through menus every time? If you use multiple profiles in Helium Browser, creating a desktop shortcut for each one can make switching between them much faster, easier, and more convenient. To make a shortcut for a specific profile, start by opening Helium Browser and clicking the profile icon in the top right corner. From there, select Manage Helium Profiles to open the Profile Settings page, where you can view and organize all of your browser profiles in one place. Find the profile you want to use, then click the three-dot menu beside it and choose Edit so you can open that profile's settings. Once the profile settings open, scroll down to the bottom and click Create Desktop Shortcut to generate a shortcut for that profile. Helium Browser will automatically create a shortcut on your desktop that opens directly into that specific profile so you can launch it with just one click. This is especially useful if you have separate profiles for work, personal browsing, school, or different accounts. If you switch between different profiles often, having a shortcut on your desktop can make opening the right one much quicker and more practical. That's all there is to creating a profile desktop shortcut in Helium Browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.